Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So you've got an extra video this week, and that is because we are celebrating the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. And with that, I'm going to show you how I made the logo. So I'm going to make it all out of polymer clay and it's going to be really pretty. So here we go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here is the emblem. This was designed by 19-year-old graphic design student Edward Roberts from Nottinghamshire, and he won the competition. So this is now the actual logo for the Queen's Jubilee. So as you saw from the tutorial, what I did was copied it from a piece of paper that I printed out, and the reason why I did that is because then I could get it exactly how I wanted to. So the main design was obviously purple, and then I used white clay just to make and trace the design, and then covered it in my favourite stuff called glitter. So the outside, I could have done this in clay and I could have traced all of the letters, but to be honest with you, that would have been a lot of work. So I used the rest of the printout, covered it in liquid clay, and then just popped it on. So what I'm going to do with this is pop a hole in the top and hang it up, and it will actually be one of my decorations behind me because I think this is just really, really lovely. So this was a little challenge for me, and I really, really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy it too. So this is how you create the Queen's emblem for the Platinum Jubilee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We are celebrating, thank you child. So this is to celebrate the Queen's Jubilee. No, it's the Platinum Jubilee. Jubilee, the Queen's. How difficult is that to say? I'm Queen's Platinum. Great. Today is an extra video this week. So today is an extra video. What? Queen's blah 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 blah. I'm going to make a special something or other. So here is the bloody dog. Thanks for watching this tutorial. This was actually designed by somebody, and I don't know who it is because I should have checked first. Oh no, they've done that bit already. Oh dear. So this was actually created by Edward Roberts, who is, I don't know who he is. Who is this guy? Thanks for watching the tutorial. What I show you, there is that is going on for these 4.